So this is the Kenyan Innovator. Welcome you back to Tech Hood 254. Here we talk about tech, digital entrepreneurship, and innovation. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about passive income, whether it's possible in Kenya and how do you go about it. Now, before I get into that, there's a video that I made in the past, just a few months ago, I think like 2 months ago. If you haven't checked it, please go and check that out first. In that video, I'm talking about how you can make money in Kenya passively uh, without a lot of capital or actually with no capital to begin with, because many people struggle to start their businesses. They have a problem getting capital, and capital is the biggest issue we think it's the biggest issue when starting a business. It actually isn't, because the biggest problem that most people actually need to tackle is being resourceful. Okay, it's not capital, but because it's one of the biggest issues, many people feel like they need a solution to that. So if you haven't started your business, or if you're looking for a way to make money online in Kenya passively without initial capital, you might want to check that video out. But this one also is going to be very helpful to you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about passive income in Kenya and how you can do that online. Now, the previous video I talked about print on demand, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about that in this video. But in this video, I'm giving you two ways that you can make money online, or that you can make money passively. Actually, I'm going to give you three ways. If you watch all the way to the end, I'll give you a bonus one. So let's just start with print on demand once more, in case you didn't catch the other video. Print on demand is basically where you are selling t-shirts. But here's the good thing about it. You're not creating any of these t-shirts by yourself. What you're doing is you are designing. That's it. You're designing t-shirts and you're selling them through the aid of a middleman. Now, there are several different websites that will allow you to print on demand. What that means, like the name suggests, is that they are just going to print the one t-shirt when somebody orders it, okay? So basically, here's the process of how it works. You find a website like Teespring, for example, is one of the best websites where you can do print on demand. You find a website and you create different designs for t-shirts. And t-shirts are a big deal right now, and they have been. People are interested in fashion. Printing, you will need a little bit of skill when it comes to design work, but you don't necessarily have to be a graphic designer. There are different platforms that you could use for free, like Canva, to help you design. So you could come up with drawings. If you're an illustrator, you could come up with slogans, and you could come up with different pictures, put them on the t-shirts and print. There are people that have made thousands of dollars with this print on demand. The beautiful thing about it is that you are just creating the design one time and uploading it to the platform. Whenever somebody buys the t-shirt that you have printed out, that you have designed, the company will print it, and they will package it, and they will mail it to the client. So here's the best part. I know I've said this like a lot of times, but here's really the best part. You don't have to have stock of these t-shirts. You don't have to buy them in bulk. You don't have to like look for a storage container, or what are those things called? A warehouse where you have all these things kept. All you do is basically design and put them up. And some of these t-shirts are going for like $7, $10, $15, even $20. And that's a lot of money. If you can design you can design as many t-shirts as you want, and there's really no limit to how much money you can make with this. You get to make as much as you design, and you're not limited to where you can post or upload your designs. Now, what happens is Teespring is going to mail that order when somebody orders it. And also, they make a small cut because they're doing so much for you. They're hosting this thing for you on their website, and they are, helping you with the shipping and handling and all of that. So that's the first way to make passive income. Now, before I get into the other method, let me just, reiterate what passive income is. Passive income is where you are making money without necessarily putting in active effort every single day. You create a system, you build a system, and you are able to make money off of that work passively, progressively over a long period of time. Now, the second method that you can use to make money online in Kenya passively is affiliate marketing. And I know I have talked about this previously in one of my other videos, but I feel the need to reiterate it because its potential is unlimited. You know, it's got big potential. Now, affiliate marketing is really awesome, and I personally I have done affiliate marketing, and it's something I would recommend. Now, affiliate marketing is just a philosophy of marketing. There are different types of marketing. There is direct marketing where I have a product, I come to you and I market it, and I give you the product, you give me the money. Affiliate marketing, I do not have a product that belongs to me. I do not have a service that belongs to me. What I'm doing is I'm marketing somebody else's product or service. And here's the beauty of it. I don't need to have my product. I don't need to have my own services. And it's also amazing because this is great. If you don't have initial capital to start a business or to start making money, you need to consider affiliate marketing as soon as today because the industries that you can join affiliate marketing with are numerous. You know, like you basically just join depending on what you feel you are interested in and based off of what you feel you can earn. Now there's several platforms that you can use to become an affiliate marketer, but there are also numerous websites that you could approach. One of those websites in this country is Jumia, and Jumia is really awesome because they allow you to sell products that you don't own, and you can do this really easily and make a passive income. For example, let's say that you are interested in technology and you have a YouTube channel, such as this one that talks about tech and, stuff like that. It doesn't necessarily have to be about technology. And so you're reviewing phones. And so you have links to these phones in your description. And once you've reviewed phones, Kenyans and phones, whenever a new phone comes up, people want to buy that thing and they want to buy it quickly. So if you're telling them the features of this phone, you're telling them, what's good about this phone, you're telling them why they need to have this phone, and you're keeping them up to date on whatever it is that, these tech products that are coming out are. And it doesn't just have to be phones, it could be anything. Hair products, if you're talking about ladies, and beauty products. You could go on Jumia, you can find a merchant, and you can, just help market these products. Now, it's good if you market a product that you have tried out yourself so that people can see the legitimacy in that. Basically, what you're doing is you're promoting a product and you're using links on your social media platform or on a website to sell. And people have done this with Amazon affiliates as well. Once somebody buys the product through your link, you are paid a commission or a small percentage of that amount of money. And people have used this passively to generate a lot of income because you know what? Once you make a video such as this one, let's say in this video, I am recommending, I'm reviewing a phone, I'm reviewing a product, I'm reviewing a TV, a microwave, whatever it is that I might be recommending. And let's say that TV goes for 20,000 and they're giving me 10% that's 2,000 of the say. I don't remember what the percentage, or this is just an example. Let's just say I'm making 10% of 20K, which is 2,000. So if I could get several different people to buy this particular product using my link in the description, I will be able to make passive income for as long as that link is there and for as long as that product exists. The best part is that I'm creating that video once, and you can imagine how many videos you can create because there are tons and tons and tons of products on Jumia, and not just Jumia, but there are different products on different platforms. So affiliate marketing isn't necessarily about products. It can also be about services. One of the ones I've done before, it has to do with web hosting and here it's basically you're selling or you're promoting a website platform that you use. So if you have a website, this company might want you to act as an affiliate for them. And basically, you're doing a website tutorial, you're teaching people how to build websites, and you tell them, this is a platform I recommend for these reasons, and you put down your affiliate link in the description box. Or if you're on a website, you show people, you tell them that, hey, I'm an affiliate of this program or this website design platform. And whenever somebody buys into that service, the web design service, or into the hosting services, you get paid a commission. And some of these services, especially the recurring ones like hosting, can be really great because this is now where the affiliate, uh, uh, what is it called? This is where now you start making real passive income that's recurring, because people don't just buy hosting once. If I'm going to host my website, I want it to be live consistently for a long period of time. So sometimes you'll pay monthly, sometimes you'll pay quarterly, sometimes you'll pay annually. So you'll find that every year or every quarterly, if you have people that have signed up under you, you're going to be making a lot of money with that. Now, the bonus one, passive income. You can also do this in Kenya online by creating a digital product. Now, this is something that you need to consider seriously. Digital products are amazing. Now, what exactly is a digital product? I'm going to give you a quick example. Let's say you're in the online, no, or let's say you do, okay, basically what a digital product is it's not a tangible product. For instance, an ebook is an example of a digital product, or downloads music that you can download online. That's an example of a digital product. There is something called um, Amazon, where people people download books on Amazon Kindle. Now, what happens is you can create a book, you could create an information product that teaches people how to do something that you're an expert at. But here's the best part, because people, millennials today, don't really want to be the best at anything. They just want to be the best at getting that money and securing the bag. So here's something you could do. You can create a product, and you can do it without necessarily being the best at that. You could create an information product and sell that on Amazon. And the best thing with Amazon is that they have hundreds of millions of people on their platform wanting to download their products daily. Okay. And here I'm talking about books, I'm talking about ebooks. You can create ebooks and make passive income with that for a long time. There are seriously lucrative niches out here right now, and people are making big cash with Amazon. Uh, and so, if that is something that you are interested in, let me know in the description and I can share a little bit more about that. But I'm not going to talk completely about it in this video, because there are certain techniques and skills that you need to tap into. But once you do, you could be making serious cash. And the best part, let me tell you the best part. And by now, I know you know that this is my favorite slogan. The best part is that you don't have to do it by yourself. You can outsource this. So in this one, you're going to need a little capital to start. You can outsource this and find someone to create that information product. You need to do some market research and find out which niche is lucrative. What do people want to read? And I'm telling you, you can create an information product around anything. It can be fictional or non-fictional, and people will buy these products. Okay. So those are 3 ways you can make passive income in Kenya legally and legitimately. I know there are a lot of scams out there. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'm going to be talking about marketing. I'm going to be specifically tackling network marketing and multi-level marketing, what those are, and whether they are scams or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this with a friend. I'll see you in the next one.